writing on the lessons, I always used to look at you that you are so beautiful. And I'm going to miss you, miss you looking like that. So put some WhatsApp DP on it so that I could always, recognize you and keep watching you. Yeah, she's so beautiful. She's so this, she's so this. So there is n number of compliments that I can, give you, because I think I have most of the time concentrated on your how you speak, how you give lessons, the way you used to teach. It was beyond words. So I'm really sorry for that, but I always keep target seeing you. And whenever other teachers used to come, I used to say, no doubt they were undoubtedly, I mean, good. But as from the very first day we have been taking classes, you have been taking our classes, I used to see your beauty. I used to always see that you're so
So
beautiful.
flattered. I
And
am
I used
so
to miss you
flattered.
at
So
that
much.
day when you were not there.
Thank you so
And I
much.
used to miss you when you were not there. Like, look, she's
It
so
means a
beautiful. The way
lot.
she's talking is so beautiful. And really, I would like that when if I am teaching you, I should always look like you.
This was really an amazing course for me. I've taken other courses, but I felt like this was well organized, and the class strength was like it was good, because in other classes I've sat one among 80 or 100. So it was not at all like, as you can see, there was no participation. Like for namesake, I was sitting, but this is a really wonderful class. And only one feedback I have: the lesson plan. It is a really pain for me to work on that template. I don't know if it is just me or others. Like, that is the only feedback.
As everybody said, and for me also, was my first course, and I'm happy that I selected the Asian College of Teachers. And like all the trainers were so good for guidance, support, encouragement, everything. And I regret that I don't answer, like I don't reply that much in online class, and I regret that now. And for the part, for as Priya said, Sushmita also, I find you very beautiful. Even when I emailed you, I saw your picture with long hair, and I was zooming and think, look, my teacher is so beautiful. Micro teaching video, I find myself copying your style. Like I don't know how would it turn out in the video, but like most of the time I practice with my sisters and I respond like you do. I appreciate, like, okay, you do. I find myself doing the same thing.
So about the class, first of all, it's very structured, yet it is very free. So it's a combination of both. And I have learned that no matter what subject you take, maybe it's English or commerce or science, anything, but I have learned how a teacher should be and how the teacher should engage the classes. So, and I am a very shy person, I am an introvert. When I first took up the course, I was like very apprehensive how I will like present myself in the webinars, and if they ask me to speak. And the thing is, my spoken English is not that good. Like we get a meme, usually we get a meme in Instagram, right? The English that is in my mind, the English that is my written English is good, but I have learned to speak so much English after joining the class, because I study in a government college, and there even though I'm learning I'm doing MA in English, they don't speak in English, they speak in a regional language. So after coming here, after making friends, I have learned to speak in English confidently. And as everyone was saying, whenever you used to be absent for the classes, I would be like, oh, are yaar. I mean, I used to personally miss your classes in your absence, and have made very great friends here. To mention Nandita, Sharmishta, Therese. Like when the first group activity was given, I was like, as I said, I am very shy. I like to work individually, but the first meeting itself, when we had a separate Zoom meeting, we connected like anything, and we chat every day. And they have also, especially Nandita and Sharmisha, they have helped me in my assignments. Like I was not able to submit the assignment on time, as I was busy in some other things, and they have helped me a lot. So I'm very grateful for being here and making such good friends. And overall, it was a very good experience, and have learned many things from the others also, like Madhushri ma'am. Even though she is like at the verge of retirement, the way she is active, and Suhani ma'am, the way, even though she's busy with her child, she always comes to the class and she engages and she's very active. And many and Sahela, her smile, she's always smiling. I have learned many things from everyone. And even Srinivas sir, he's like, he has good very good presentation skills. So overall, from this class, I have learned from even the teachers, even from the students. And the way you give feedbacks, it's also very helpful. And you're giving feedbacks to our feedbacks also. So that is truly great. Overall, it was really good, ma'am.
The
Yeah,
experience
very
through the TEFL class was really good. The thing is that I could escape some of the functions. I am a person not very good at dressed up and go do the functioning things and all. So this what is it? TEFL class really helped me to skip some of the family functions. That was a really beneficial one for me in one case. The other thing is that I have a small experience of teaching students communicative English. When I entered to these TEFL online classes, I got a really good idea about how to make them more active. The thing is that we do have a language and the content is everything is already in our hands, but how to engage students was something more better understood through these sessions, because the way you all the teachers, the instructors, I mean, the way you make us engage in class and the way you make us go down to our expectation of our learners, because we always think that they know the English of our own level, but you make us realize that you need to think them as the young learners and you need to mellow down your way of teaching and also be so much concentrated on the learner's perspective. That is something which benefited me a lot, because I usually miss that point to an extent. That was really beneficial. And the corrections given, the corrections I have noted, it was really smoothly done by the instructors through the class. One of the session which was held by Moon ma'am, she was giving us instructions in between the class, and she was also saying why she is doing so. And she also mentioned at times that when we are doing the classes, we should not directly point out the mistake, but let them repeat the thing and do the correction later. Pinpointing of corrections and should be done in another method. Those things were a bit tiny things I've learned, but it was really useful when I was applying into my classrooms, those matters. And in a way, I really gonna miss this, because I had an opportunity to get to use to many of the people around India and seeing many of the faces, many of different opinions and different type of handling classrooms. It was a very good experience. Thank you, ma'am.
To
Thank
give a brief feedback.
Sure,
I
go
think
ahead.
it was an exceptional journey from April to June. And the course was overall very practical and productive. But I think we need more discussions. I thought it was less. Because discussions lead us to more remarkable findings.
Right.
That will be very beneficial for us.
Okay. Okay.
Then,
So do you suggest that we have more group activities, more student peer discussion? Is that what you mean by discussion?
yes,
Can you give
more
it more specific?
activities and one-to-one discussions also.
Okay.
About the tutors, I love all of you, but I think Ashika, you and Moon ma'am, I am much inspired by them. Then I think it was a very awesome course, remarkable, and it was great and wonderful. Thank you.
It was a really wonderful experience. Like, I'm not really good with people, but I really agree with Natasha. she just said now, I really appreciate that, you know, you were really giving out that cool and calm vibes. We were really comfortable with you. And I really never thought I would complete this course. I was really skeptical at first, you know, when I thought of joining this, and really I can see that it's the last class, and I'm really happy. Classes were really structured, yet it was really permissive. So it was really good.